Hi guys, it's me, Tapria. Today I'm going to do my homework.
Hello kids. For this assignment, Tapria have brought homework home, which I'm quite sure your teacher gave you some as well. So go somewhere, find a quiet place, get your pencil, your homework, and then if it do need any, your crayons ready. So what we're about to do is I'm going to go over and read what Tapria is supposed to be doing on our homework. Won't you guys read with us? It says, and if you can point for them, Tapria, point at the lines. Draw a line between two objects that match. Use, second line.
This one?
That's correct. Use your words. These are the same, but this one blank and this one blank. Okay, Tapria, look at the paper. Do you see any difference? Can you tell your viewers what are we looking at?
Looking at my homework.
Yes, it is your homework, but can you tell what's on the paper? Because it says draw a line between the object that match. Use your words. These are the same, but this one blank and this one blank. So what we need to first do is find out what shapes or objects do you see on your paper. Can you say what they are?
Yeah.
What?
Stars.
Yes.
Fruit.
Yes, it's a fruit, but do you know what type of fruit that it might look like? It's look like a pear to me.
Pear.
And what would the other one be?
I don't know. Probably.
It almost looked like Miss Pac-Man, right? Mm-hmm. Gobble, gobble, gobble up. It's a pear. So now, can you point to the pear? The pear. And that's on what side? Is that the left side or the right side?
This side.
No. What side is this over here?
Right.
That's your left. On this side. And
right.
What side is this over here?
Right.
Yes, your right side. So what is the first one that you see?
I see pear.
Pear, that's correct. And where is it at?
Right here.
So you draw them right across. Now let's go back to your directions. It said draw a line between two objects that match. You just did that, right? Mm-hmm. You drew a line to what?
To pear.
Right. And then they say, use your words. These are the same, but they look different. Let's take a real good close at the pear. Do you see any difference?
This one don't have black. This one have dots, and this one don't.
You said that one have dots and this one don't?
No.
That's correct. Look, kids. See the dots she's talking about on that one? Follow the line. No dots. And there's one more thing that's different. Can you tell the kids what else is different?
This one have a black stem. This one don't.
That's correct. Okay, Tapria. That was kind of difficult. The pears. But we was able to manage to get through. Now let's move on to the next shape. What's the next shape do you see?
This one.
And what is that?
Star.
That's correct. What side is that star on?
It's left.
Yes,
right.
The left side. So we got one star on the left side. Is there a star on the right side?
Yes.
And can you point that out? That's correct. Is that on the top, middle, or bottom?
Top.
That's correct. Now it's time to make the line because those are two stars. Good job. Now it's time to see what makes them different.
Because this one have 5 and this one have 6.
That's correct. The star on the left is a 5-point star, and the one on the right is a 6-point star. Would you count the points on the left for your viewers?
This one?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's correct. And how about you count the one on the right side on the top?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So the difference between the star on the left bottom and the star on the right top is the one on the left bottom is a 5-point star and the one on the right on the top is a 6-point star. They are both stars, but they are different. All right, now we're on the last one. And this is very easy. There's only 2 left. So what do you got to do now?
You have to line this one up.
That's correct. Draw your line across.
Geez, we're gonna do this.
And we're going to say that that's a pie. We're going to use that. So can you tell your viewers what are different between the two?
This one
I
have
really don't see any. Do you see a difference?
Yes.
What do you see?
This one have a so this one have a big one. This one have a smaller one.
Oh, so the one on the right have less than the one on the left. So what you're saying, the one on the left is a bigger slice than the one on the right?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? You just finished your homework. Now let's reread it again. Draw a line between 2 objects that match. Use your words. These are the same, but this one blank and this one blank. So what we can say is this one, the 2 stars are the same, but this one is a 5-point star and this one is a 6-point star. Good job on your homework, Tapria. But there's 2 things that's missing.
What?
Can you look at your homework and tell what's missing? Look very closely. What are you missing on your homework?
Oopsie. What?
You don't have your name or you don't have today's date. So could you write you gotta make sure how the teacher's gonna know who homework that is. Gotta make sure you put your name on your homework so you can get credit for it.
Okay.
That's right, Tapria. And today's date is, let's see, what is today's date? What it says on that phone? August 27th. August is the 8th month. So right here on date, you write 8.
8. Where is 8?
Right here on your date, write a 8.
8.
Mm-hmm. Now you put a hyphen, a little line.
Little line.
Mm-hmm. It should have been smaller than that, but that's okay. And 2, 7.
2, 7.
And then do a little line. What do you know what year this is?
No.
It's year 2019.
Yeah.
So write a 1 and a 9.
1 and a 9. Looks pretty big.
That's okay. We work on it to make it better. But let's say 82719. We just gotta work on our 9.
Hi guys, that was a little bit difficult. I will get it.